Munich Dedicated Server Provider, by TheServerHost. Munich, formerly Bavaria, is the largest city in central Germany. The city, which is named after an historic Catholic church, is recognized for the beautiful architectural structure of its churches and other medieval buildings. Munich, Bavaria is home to many old buildings and many museums. The nightlife in Munich is lively and includes many live performances by local artists and bands. What are dedicated servers anyway? A Munich dedicated server is simply a single machine in a network designated for serving only the specific needs of that network. For instance, some networks need that one machine be set aside solely to handle communications among all the other machines on the network. With a Munich dedicated server, you have full control over your server and you can use it according to your requirements. It's your data on stake here, so if you are ready to put in the necessary work and dedication to secure your website and ensure optimum uptime for your visitors, then a dedicated server would be the best choice for you. TheServerHost Munich Dedicated Server Provider Managed Service. Root access. Root access is another advantage of using Munich dedicated servers for your website. When you have your own web hosting account, it becomes quite easy for you to install third-party software applications. However, when you have a dedicated IP address and you go with a dedicated hosting provider, you can install even more powerful tools. You will also have access to a root FTP server, which is often used to manage the software components of your site. Technical support. Many people choose to host their websites using the TheServerHost Munich dedicated servers because they provide superior levels of technical support. Dedicated server hosting usually gives the excellent customer support and technical assistance, and the technical support technicians are usually very tech-savvy. Technical support for managed dedicated servers is usually provided by the company that sells the hardware and the hosting plan. There are sometimes independent technical support technicians that are contracted by the hosting company. These technicians have extensive technical knowledge and experience and can provide extremely fast and efficient service. In addition to the support provided by the hosting companies, the users of managed dedicated servers also have access to the company's network of technicians. SSD storage. One of the most important aspects of managed Munich dedicated servers is enhanced SSD. This feature provides faster upload and download speeds, so that users do not have to wait long periods for documents. The enhanced and feature speeds up the entire process of data transfer so that files can be uploaded and downloaded quickly. Some of the other commonly enhanced and features include collision detection, smart transfer, and smart compress. All of these features make uploading and downloading documents much more efficient. DDos Protection. Administrators of sites using a dedicated server hosting platform will often need to customize DDoS protection settings. If the user does not know how to make changes to the DDoS settings, they may not be able to keep their data safe. Good dedicated server hosting companies will offer assistance when making adjustments to the DDoS settings so that the security of the user's data is maintained. Munich dedicated servers will provide extra security so that confidential information is not accessible by anyone else on the internet. Managed servers. Managed Munich dedicated servers are a bit more robust and offer better security and functionality options than unmanaged dedicated servers. These types of plans allow users to create databases and install software that they need. Some of the most popular server control panels include cPanel and Plesk. These control panels usually come with a user interface that is based upon the Linux OS. The most popular applications included on these control panels include PHP, Perl, ColdFusion, and MySQL. Security. Security is perhaps the most important advantage that you can get with a dedicated server compared to a shared hosting plan. Since your server is dedicated only to your business, only you can access it from anywhere and you have complete control over it. This gives you more freedom and flexibility. Dedicated hosting is also highly reliable and secure, which also ensures total security for your website. High performance. Performance is one of the best reasons why people choose a Munich dedicated server over other common hosting plans. The dedicated servers don't suffer from similar problems like shared servers do because they are unique and very powerful. They offer guaranteed high bandwidth and high quality connectivity, so your website will load quickly even when others are accessing the same page at the same time. Because of their unique nature, dedicated servers offer the best security as well. So, if you are planning to invest in a dedicated server, then these are some of the benefits that you should look for. Cheap cost. The cost advantage is also an important advantage that you can get when you opt for a TheServerHost Munich Dedicated server hosting plan. Dedicated servers are offered at much cheaper prices than shared servers. Thus, you can save a lot of money on hosting charges and other monthly costs. You can also find several hosting plans for dedicated servers that are tailored according to your specific requirements. Reliable. Another important advantage of a dedicated server is that they offer excellent monitoring capability. With a dedicated hosting account, you can monitor, trace and diagnose problems easily and quickly. The monitoring capabilities of dedicated servers make them a preferred choice for web hosting purposes. If you run your own hosting business and you are looking for a way to improve your site's performance and reliability, then a dedicated server is definitely the right choice for you. Dedicated hosting is very much different from shared hosting. Fast connection. Another reason why many prefer Munich dedicated server hosting plans is that you will be provided with a fast connection speed. Due to high-speed internet connectivity, your website will load faster than it would have in a shared hosting plan. Another important reason why many prefer dedicated server hosting plans is that you will have complete control over the DNS hosting. You will be in total control of the DNS and you can change your site's DNS settings anytime you want. You will be able to make sure that you provide your visitors with the best user experience possible. For more info, visit TheServerHost. Click link in description.